Score of 1 to 10. On a score of 1 to 10.
Well, so far, 9.5.
And one word to sum up the current situation.
Charging.
Okay, heavy.
So today is about refilling the water tanks because we filled them with water and Milton fluid. So we've carefully backed Benson in, not reversing into benches because we have our new wireless camera. So he gets filled through here, and I think it takes about 70 odd litres. And then we empty from here using the taps here, but we'll show you that later on. And then we're going to check the tyre pressures, and also on this vehicle we check the pressure of the airbags, so we'll do that later on as well. But for now, to go and run some water into the waste tank. But first of all, check to see if we have any leaks underneath, which I don't think so, but we'll have a look. So there don't appear to be any drips happening anywhere, which is good. So we'll go and run some water. So we're back inside. We're in mid-arrange, going through every system. In the official Winnebago Rialta manual, which is extremely comprehensive. But the first job here is to, now we've filled the tanks, so the grey tank, which is the everyday wastewater, that's empty. The black tank is empty. The fresh water tank is nearly full because its top one's flashing. Batteries are good. LPG is full.
Perfect timing. Perfect timing.
Hello, wife.
Hello, husband. Now, you know you said the picture of Benson had arrived.
Yes.
Because everybody were getting a canvas wall art of Benson to put in here, and we've got one in the caravan and one in the house because he's our lovely boy and he's called Benson.
Yes.
I thought it was strange. It was a day early. So it's, but Benson picture has apparently arrived.
Oh, good. Excellent. And didn't know you were going to put on a frying pan, darling.
Yes.
Oh, well done.
It was.
Another,
Benson seemed to look like
another
a frying
piece.
pan. Yeah.
So.
And this goes in here. What?
Excellent.
Because we've got this all going in here, allegedly, apparently.
But you make sure it's cool before you do it.
Yeah, do that. Look at that.
How to make, and it's your anniversary tomorrow, and your present arrived a day early.
Apparently. My anniversary.
And it's mine as well, strangely enough.
So
I keep hitting my head on the, look at this, we have air conditioning in the back and air conditioning in the front.
Lovely.
So fantastic. So yes,
I'm doing that.
Brilliant.
Sure. I can't get open at the moment, but there you go.
Oh right, okay. So
bye.
First of all, turn the water pump on and it will fill up. There we go. That's the hot water tank and everything ready to go. There is a generator, but we can start it from here.
Oh, another thing.
But we don't bother with it really.
Another thing, husband.
See?
Remember to do lots of short videos, not one long one, to make it easy
Okay.
for me editing.
I was making it short, but suddenly appeared and made it a long one.
Still got Benson in my hand.
Anyway, And then when we've put the water pump on, we shall turn the tap on and put some water into the grey tank. First job of the water, obviously, is get the air out. That's the cold. And then the hot will no doubt be, oh no, whoa, what a berry. Oh, here you go, air coming out the hot. That's very good. So just let this run. And then in the bathroom, I take the sink down, put that in there. This being a Pullman, the water just tips. So we'll refill that a few times and tip it in the back. Because with this, if you need a shower, the first thing you do is remove this. And so there you have the shower. To empty this tap, this bowl just tips, and away it goes. And you can pull the shower up a bit further and use the shower. So, having run some water, what we need to make sure now is we don't have any wastewater leaks underneath. There seems to be a tiny leak on the waste pipe that side. You can see the water just dribbling there, so I need to go and have a look at that. But it seems to be all it is, which that's just grey water. That's not really much of a problem. Excellent. So on this model, on the Rialta, not only do we check the tyre pressures, we also have to check the airbag pressures, which should be 40 to 50. So we've got 25. Blimey, that feels quick. We'll have to let some out. We'll let this come down to 40 and that should do. So now this side has had all the decals removed. You can just see the ghosts there. So the section, the square section of the main body will be resprayed with white, and then the plastic panels that run along the bottom, these are going to be wrapped, and then another decal line will be cut in above where the old one is. But today's small project is the addition of a very important item, which is the Wonky Crew decal. So it comes on a backing paper with a release agent, which you then affix to the window and firmly, using a squeegee or a cloth, I used a cloth fixed to the window, and then we pick the top layer, and then all goes to plan, we have a nice new you always try and pull these off to follow the lines. So now we'll turn with the W and go down, and there we have it. It's new, it's chromatic. It sounds a bit like greasy. It's hydromatic, it's chromatic. It's the Wonky Crew badge.